Welcome back. Depending on where your affiliates hang out online and where you'll want to communicate with them most, you can create a social media group in order to communicate with willing affiliates that want to be part of that social media group. You'll first want to invite individuals that are on that social network to the group, and you'll want to post information about your launches so that individuals will be able to keep up with what it is that you are doing. Now, within the social media group that you choose to operate in, you may want to make sure that you're going to be available to answer questions of affiliates wanting to promote your product. Now, again, much depends on where your affiliates hang out the most. What you can do is you can also create social media groups that are business related on the social networking site LinkedIn. Groups are free to create, and you can create multiple groups on the platform. You'll want to make sure to give your group a name and then a description. You need to determine what the industry is. You need to write in the group rules. And then, of course, you'll want to make sure that your group is going to be discoverable. And basically, what we have is another way of being able to keep in touch with affiliates. Now, once again, you'll want to be aware of how many affiliates are actually promoting as a result of you building your group, and whether this justifies the amount of time that you'll need to put in order to be in the group and answer questions of the individuals that will be asking them. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.